Here's a side hustle that's helping thousands of people earn $5,000 or more per month in 2025 using nothing but free AI tools and a laptop. It's called Freelance AI content creation. Here's how it works. You use tools like ChatGPT to write content, blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, product descriptions, even ebooks. Then, using Canva, you turn that content into professional visuals or PDF downloads. Businesses, influencers, and online brands need content daily, but they don't have time to create it. That's where you come in. Go to freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour, and search for social media content creator, ebook writer, AI content assistant, Canva designer. You'll see clients offering $50 to $500 per project. Now, imagine doing 10 to 15 projects a month. You're already on track to $5,000. Here's how to start. Learn the tools. Get comfortable with ChatGPT and Canva. Create samples. Make 2 to 3 mock projects for your portfolio. Set up profiles. Sign up on Fiverr and Upwork with strong gig titles. Apply daily. Don't wait. Start pitching to new jobs every day. Pro tip: combine ChatGPT plus Canva into service packages. Example: I'll write and design your entire 10-page ebook using AI. Delivery in 48 hours. That's high value, high demand, high paying, no upfront costs, no fancy gear, no experience needed. Just AI plus creativity equals income. This is one of the most scalable and realistic ways to start earning $5,000 a month online in 2025. Subscribe to The Inner Light for more side hustle ideas.